How do you usually come across? How do you come across at work, during interviews, or with people that you meet for the first time? Do you know how you come across? Come across. How can you use this rather idiomatic phrasal verb? Let me show you a video of an interview where it's being used. Can you guess what it means and how to use it?
I have to say, you certainly don't come across as someone I would want to work with.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why do you say that, Claudine?
You state you're brutally honest, you don't do small talk, and you can't bear people complaining.
During the interview, it looks like the interviewer has a negative perception or impression of the interviewee qualities, attitude, and behavior. She's brutally honest. She doesn't like small talk, and she can't bear people complaining. Well, she doesn't come across as a very fun person to work with. She doesn't look like someone I would like to work with. She doesn't appear to me as the kind of person I would enjoy to work with. Come across refers to the impression that someone makes on others based on his or her qualities, attitude, or behavior. More examples. She comes across as a very friendly and approachable person. During the interview, he came across as highly knowledgeable and well prepared. Any customer service representative has to come across as empathic and understanding. So, make sure you make a good impression. Make sure you come across well.